Sir, I'm a procedure. It can help you. Alright? Please call a doctor in emergency.
Okay. Open the airways. Okay. Check the breathing first. The distant breathing. Okay, so check the pulse. Locate the Adam's apple. Then beside Adam's apple, check if there is a pulse. Then that's it. Is there a pulse? Okay, so this is cardiac arrest. So perform CPR now. Rescue breathing. Elbow on the surface. Okay? Open your mouth wide. Kalulong sa hangin. Okay? Okay, that's 2 times already. Stand up. Okay, okay. Okay? 2 fingers. Then the other hand says 2 fingers. Okay, now when you try to locate the Adam's apple, the second process, here it is, 2 fingers back. Okay, like that. Okay, then the other hand is like this. Then what is here, or if you want, what is here like that. Okay, so enter that in the name. Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms straight. Only the heel. Sige, go on. 30 times, You're doing good. Just continue. Two fingers only. Open your mouth wide, gently. Okay, then turn your head. Take a deep breath. Okay, repeat. Okay, then stand up. Remember, nulumi ang kagibutan at kamot. Nulumi ang kagibutan at kamot ganina. Keep your arms straight again. Good. Nulumi lang ang kagibutan at kamot. Formiroan. So,